Welcome back, Spartan Nation, to the SpartanxNation YouTube channel. Hi, how's it going? We're doing a wonderful $300 mystery, Halo-related mystery unboxing. I asked my sister like a month and a half ago to just buy $100 worth of Halo gear, and this is what she came up with. It's like $300+ of stuff in here. This is I know absolutely nothing of what's in here. There will be links down below because whatever she got, I've asked her to keep record of, so that if you guys find it interesting, you guys can go and support anybody who makes this, because she told me a lot of it's from Etsy. So let's open it here. Let's open it here. She told me I gotta pull this. Oh. Alright, and then something over here I gotta pull. I've already messed it up because this isn't opening easy. Oh no. What did I do? I broke it. I broke it! I didn't actually break it. I just don't know how bows work. But guys, let's see. If you guys are new here, before we open this, if you guys are new here, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a brand new video or go live. Alright, let's go. We have a balloon. There's something inside of the balloon. Let's pull this balloon out. Balloony, we shall name this balloon Balloony.
And I named him Balloony.
Master Chief Balloony. You can... There we go. There we go. Alright, now let's move all of this stuff down and onto the ground here. Balloony, no! There is Balloony. Stay. Balloony's gonna stay there. Right, Balloony? Fragile.
And I never saw Balloony again.
That was rude! That was rude! I have to film another video after this! Cat, fuzzy balls and... Alright, let's start with the unboxing of everything. Let's start with this tiny little thing that says fragile on it. Fucking confetti everywhere. It's apparently fragile, and I have a feeling, knowing my sister and what just happened, there's gonna be nothing but like a piece of paper in here. This is a literal foam straw? Oh god. Oh! That's actually really cool. That's a little tiny Cortana on the microchip. Oh my god, you guys need to see this. See if we can get a close-up for the camera. Look at that. That is really cool. That is Cortana on her data chip. Clear off this desk so that I don't lose any tiny things. Gosh, damn it! Confetti everywhere! Alright, let's go with the next package. Let's go with this thing. Oh, snap! It's a fusion coil! This is a fusion coil. So, I'll have a link to all of this stuff down in the description. But this is a fusion coil. Look at that. That's really well made, and I do believe that it lights up. Oh! Look at that. Oh, that is so cool. That is so cool. Oh no, I think these are just replacements. Okay. Okay, cool. So these are just replacements for the light. let's open this thing up. Oh my goodness. These are pins. I'm not even going to remove them. But these are pins for the UNSC. Whoa. Almost dropped it. Look at that. You got your silver, gold, and black. Oh, that is so nice. There's this thing. I don't even... How do you get tape on the inside of it? Oh, this is absolutely adorable. Oh, that is absolutely adorable. This is absolutely adorable. It's a little Ungoy, which is also known as the Grunt. Look at that. It's a little minifigure. Look at the detail on that. Next package. Next package. Let's pull out whatever this is. That's another Ungoy. Another little Grunt here. Look at him. Oh. Dude, I'm like a little kid in a candy store right now. All right, let's continue on. Ooh, ooh. All right. We got what seems to be a little mystery keychain. Okay, it's a backpack hanger. It seems like there'll be a code in here, and I will flash that on the screen as well as show it. And if you guys want to use it for your Halo 5 rec packs, you guys are more than welcome to go ahead and do that. It's a first come, first serve deal. And oh my god, we got a meal. Okay, you know what? It's not Master Chief, but it's a pretty damn cool Spartan. That's so cool. Oh my god. So Emil's part of Noble 6 from Halo Reach, of Noble 6 team, like Noble Team. Okay, and here's the code for whoever wants to use it. Here's the code for the rec pack. So read right here the code for Halo 5 rec pack if you guys want to use that. This one next. Oh, we got another keychain pack. Let's go. All right, so we're going to have 2 Halo rec pack codes, Halo 5 rec pack codes. You guys are more than welcome. I will have them over here as well as in the description if y'all missed this in the part of the video. But it's first come, first serve. Whoever uses it first gets the code. Alright, let's open it. Let's throw out the old pack. Pull it out. Oh, snap. Okay. Oh, no. Don't drop the code. I will write it across the screen right here. Code number 2. But we have the elite captain, or the elite shipmaster. I like his colors, because I don't know if you guys noticed. White, red, and black is the colors of SpartanxNation. Alright, so let's open up this one. Come on, break the tape. Break the tape. Okay. I'm very afraid as to what this is. But there's so many little pieces. Oh my god. No way. Is this a build your own? Alright, so we got a packet of Halo weapons right here. Right? It's Magnum. Or, yeah, that looks like the Recon Magnum and the Silenced SMG, which was a part of Halo 3 ODST. Let's open up those and let's take a closer look. High quality. Like, they feel good in my hands. Here's the Silenced SMG. If it'll focus, there we go. Recon Magnum. There we go. My hands are shaky. I'm sorry. It's just a part of who I am. And then we got this packet right here, which looks to me like ODST armor. And we might set this up because it looks unpainted. We might set up a day. So if we can get enough likes and attention on this video, I will do, because I am an artist, I will do a painting video of this figurine. How does this work? How do you attach all the pieces together? This is an ODST chest plate. It's clear. You can't really see it. And then I got like ODST helmet and the rest of the ODST armor. The ODST helmet right there. This is all 3D printed and very well 3D printed, might I add. Let's open up this package. Gonna pull this out. Oh! Not what I was expecting at all. But this feels super fragile. Oh my god. Oh, this feels so fragile. It's an energy sword. And it's translucent. Like, you can see my hand through that. That is so cool. Swing, swing, shwa. Shwa, shwa, shwa. Shwa, shwa. Dunga, 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 dunga. Let's open up this guy. Let's open up this guy. This guy next. Oh boy. Oh boy. I know what this is. This is Halo Mega Blocks. This is Halo Mega Constructs right here. And oh boy. It is literally a Halo Infinite Mega Constructs. We got Master Chief. And the Brute Warrior. Comes with the pistol, gravity hammer, frag grenade, assault rifle, energy sword, rifle, the shock rifle, the mauler, and 2 spike grenades. Alright, let's do this box. This has some weight to it. Actually, not feel horribly. Oh my, no, no, nope, nope, no, 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 no. Oh, this is, alright, the box is empty. Okay. It is a literal, it's one of the AIs. So this is Fret. This is the Fret AI. Look at him. Tell me he is not the most adorable thing that you have ever seen in your life. Look at him. Oh, that is so cool. Do you see this? The last package. This is the biggest one. See how it do. Let's open it up. Okay. First of all, I open it, and all I see is what looks like a handle in there. Okay. Okay. It wasn't a handle, but it was a part of what would be on a handle. Am I allowed to show this on YouTube? Am I allowed to show this on YouTube? But guys, are y'all ready? Like, y'all can see it in the bottom of the screen. Oh my god. Look at this. This is amazing. If you guys want to see all of this stuff, disclaimer, this is not a real weapon. It is 3D printed and in 2 pieces, nothing on the inside. This is not a real live weapon, but it is sure damn cool. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, this is so cool. Alright, so guys, we've got 2 missions then. If you guys want to see a video where I finish this up and paint it, let me know, but look at that. Alright, and then this is the cool part. I thought this was a handle. No. That's not the way it goes. Oh my god. Guys, tell me that is not the most amazing thing in the world. Alright, comment down below what your favorite item from today's unboxing was, and also what you think the coolest item is. So your favorite and the coolest can be 2 completely different things. I think this is the coolest, right? Removable magazine, like that is by far what I think is the coolest. But in all honesty, I think my favorite is the little Cortana chip. If you guys enjoyed it, please go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Comment down below if you want to see, if we can get this video to 25 likes, I will sand this down like where it needs to be sanded, because it is 3D printed and you have to do it. I will paint this, make it look nice, and make it look realistic, in-game accurate. Or it might be a live stream. I don't know. We'll see. But we'll paint this down. We'll make it look nice, and we'll finish it up. But guys, thank you guys so much for watching this episode. Hit that subscribe button. 25 likes, I will paint that. Comment down below what the coolest thing is and what your favorite thing is. See y'all next time. SpartanxNation out.